I also made my vision board. I did start reading the Hunger Games. Guys, I have to go. Okay, I finished it, guys. Here it is. Hello guys, happy new year. It is 2024. Weirdly, I was very busy this start of the January, so I couldn't really film anything. But yeah, today it is, what day is it? It's the 22nd of January today. I wanted to make this like a start of the 2024 video showing you guys my resolutions. Oh, also, yes, I cut my hair. As you can see, I have cut my hair again. Once again, I did it myself. Also, I stained my sweater again. This is from a can of mackerel. Doesn't sound nice. Mackerel in tomato sauce, and I literally like opened it and then this happened. I am gonna try and post consistently this year. That's one of my goals. Ding! It's already one of my goals. Already I'm failing because I didn't post the start of January, but once I really get into the flow of filming, back into the flow of filming and posting and editing, I'm gonna try and get at least one video done every week. And it's hard because it's like, I feel like my life isn't that interesting and I have all these ideas, but it's like really hard to like execute them. I think making videos and editing them does take, you know, time. It's just generally gonna take me time. I have to try and now balance work and graphic design and content creation, whatever I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing still, but I'm hoping that I get that set this year. I guess that's my other goal, is to get a job within graphic design, like a full-time job. The other thing I have to do this year, I have to make a new portfolio because my old one has expired now. Today I'm gonna make my to-do list, just get organized today and start like backing up all my files, cleaning out all my files from my laptop. That's something I need to do as well. Something that I really want to get this year is the headphones that I've been wanting for like 3 years now. I really want the Bose headphones, the Quiet Comfort 45, and I'm definitely going to get those this year. I'm gonna like show you guys my vision board, my journal for the 2024. I always do this anyway, like every year, just one page where it says 2024, and then I've got all my goals for this year, so I'm gonna read them out. Number 1 is to grow my YouTube channel / social platform. Number 2 is to upload and film every week. Number 3 is get a job as a content creator / like video graphic design. Just something in that space is what I really want to do. Number 4 is have a perfect bedroom. I love like interior design because my room is getting there. It's definitely better than when I first moved in. I still have a few things missing in my room, like my bedside table, which I also want to buy this year. Number 5 is to make and sell jewelry. I really want to actually kind of maybe start a business this year. That sounds really crazy. Start a business. Yeah, I'm thinking starting this business. But like, okay, not business, but I really want to like start like doing actual illustration and maybe like doing commissions and just actually making money off the things that I can do creatively. And yeah, making and selling jewelry. I have all this like beads and jewelry that I can make and I just don't make it, so I'm gonna try and do that and actually like sell it somehow. Number 6 is to paint and draw more. Number 7, eat okay, this one's kind of like not serious, but also like, yes, eat yummy treats and lattes. That's what I actually put. Number 8 is to travel and go on a hiking trip. I want to at least travel to one place this year, do something hiking related. I really want to just go on a big hike this year and do more walking, I guess, as well. Number 9 is to buy what I want and dress how I want. And then finally, number 10 is to watch more movies and read books. I've really struggled to read books, so this year I'm gonna at least try and read and finish a book. That is all my 10 goals. I feel like that's a lot, but I'm gonna try and do every single one of them. I also made my vision board. I printed it out physically this year because usually I have it just digital, like on my laptop. In this like top corner, I have the draw more, illustrate sections. Then at the bottom, which is my biggest section, okay, this one is like really aiming high, you know. If you're new and you're watching this, subscribe now. Also, I really want to start a dance class, so I put that there. And then the last two is the travel hiking. So you can use like Pinterest, whatever you want. Oh, my next page is like my budgeting page. It's literally just me budgeting and trying to keep track of like my income and my my spendings. And then the next page is just this January what I need to do, which is to edit and upload the video that I have, and also this video, make my portfolio. I'm gonna start my portfolio, start applying to jobs, and also clean up my laptop. So today I'm gonna clean up my laptop, edit my video, also look up where I'm gonna start my new portfolio. I think Squarespace is where I'm gonna do it. So I have this hard drive which I put like all my large files on. However, this does not work on my laptop, or at least it might do. However, I have tried everything to make this work on my laptop. So this is my sister's old Mac, this one. I just have to like put all of my files on an SD card and then put the SD card in my sister's laptop and then put it on here. So it takes twice the time. It is now 10 p.m. and I just had a shower and I'm just gonna quickly do my skincare. My skin is feeling a little bit weird, so I think I'm gonna use something like exfoliating. I'm gonna use this lactic acid from The Ordinary. Oh my god, I'm terrible at skincare. I honestly don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm just using this lactic acid to exfoliate, I guess, my skin and make it smoother because the texture of it is a bit off. I usually use this. This is my favorite moisturizer. I've been using this since I was like a teenager, the simple one. But I have this like night cream that I got gifted at Christmas. I guess because it's nighttime, I'm gonna use it. I have work tomorrow from 9:30, so I have to wake up at like 6:45, 7. So I have to get up early tomorrow, so I plan to get in bed at 11, and I'm gonna make myself some tea, drink that, brush my teeth, and then finish the work. Pretty much almost there, and then tomorrow I'm gonna edit my video. So we're on the way. We've already ticked off one thing almost. Okay, I have my tea. I am having Bilkov chai, which I don't know what that translates to, but it's Bulgarian tea. But I think it's just some type of like flour. I don't know. I have like 40 minutes now until 11, so I'm gonna do 40 minutes of work and then go to bed. Hey guys, so it is now 6:30. I had work from like 9 to 1 today, and then I got home, had lunch, and I took a nap because I was very tired. I had my tea and then I slowly got too comfortable in my bed and took a nap. However, my nap, I didn't really sleep because my mind was awake the whole time. I'm gonna do some work before I have dinner. Doing work on my bed today. So I've cleaned out all my files and now I need to start editing my video and also start my portfolio. So that's the next thing I need to do. So now I can tick off that I've cleaned out my laptop in my diary journal, so I can scratch that out. I've been making this 2024 goals bingo like sheet, and then you basically put in all the things you want to achieve, all the goals that you want to achieve. And I got this inspiration from Julia here on Instagram. I screenshotted what she made and I'm pretty sure she has used Figma for this. But yeah, I'm making my own one, very similar one, because I thought it was really cool. And I'm just gonna now fill it in with all my goals using my journal, and also my like bucket list. I'm gonna include those types of things, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, I finished it, guys. Here it is. So far I have written that I want to grow my social media. Then there's ones that are just like go hiking or paint more. It's kind of a mixture of that. But yeah, I'm happy with it and that is done now. Hello guys. So it is Wednesday and I had to work from 1 to 5 today, so pretty short. I walked home in the dark because I thought I need to get my steps in and I need fresh air, so I walked home. Then I was really tired and now I just took a shower and I feel much better. I am doing a face mask and I am now going to start editing my video because I was supposed to do that yesterday. Relax, it's 9:30, which is pretty good. I am basically ready for bed, but I'm gonna do some work. I did start reading the Hunger Games, which I know I'm very late to. I am trying to read before bed now, and I read a few pages and I just find reading books so hard. I don't know why. It's like I don't really feel like I find books interesting. I feel like I'm very specific about what kind of book I want to read. This one was okay. Sounds like, I don't know, every other book really. I'm gonna try and get through it, finish it, and then read the other books too. Good morning. I am having my breakfast now, even though it is 11 a.m. I'm having porridge with banana and peanut butter and a matcha latte. And I'm very tired. It is now 1:10. I washed my hair, I washed my face, I got dressed. Just need to do my makeup because I have work today at 3:30 to 9:30. I am going to quickly edit a bit of my video, which I've been saying for like the past few days. Also, I completely forgot I can download Illustrator on my iPad, so I'm gonna download Illustrator and try and use it on the iPad because I've never done that and I don't know why. That's very stupid of me. Guys, I have to go. I don't want to go. Okay, bye. This is weird. Timmy. You know what happens.
Oh yeah, like the little
And then you
gurgle.
yawn, and then it's like little.